What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Samsung has finally launched the One UI 8.5 beta program on the Galaxy S24 series. I've got this beautiful looking beast here, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this one has just got the One UI 8.5 beta in a few countries, which includes India, Germany, UK, USA, and a couple of more countries. And if you're staying in any other countries, you will not be able to enjoy or you will not be able to experience this beta on your device. You will have to wait for the stable version. This beta testing may continue for the next 3 to 4 weeks minimum, and we may get at least about 3 to 4 betas for the Galaxy S24 series. Let's hope that there is less number of beta and we will get the stable version soon. Now, before we go ahead, let me request you guys to subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys watching my contents every day have not subscribed yet. If you subscribe, you will stay updated with everything that's happening with your phone, and it will also help this channel and this community grow. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like as well. Now, let me show you how you can enroll yourself to beta. First thing you need to do is just go to members application. And if you can see the banner here, you can just tap on that. The beta program banner is right over here. Just tap on this and you will see the option to join right over here. If you haven't joined yet, you will see open option here. And after joining, all you need to do is just go to the settings, tap on software update and tap on download and install. You should be able to get the beta version, the first beta of One UI 8.5 right on your Galaxy S24 series device. And here you go. Let me just quickly show you the size here. It is 4.5 GB size, 4490 MB, and the security patch level is 5th March. So this one comes along with the March security patch, and the version number ends with ZZCD. And you can see the change log over here. It's a huge change log here. Let me just quickly take you through this, and I will be making a dedicated video on this soon, so stay tuned for that. You've got Galaxy AI, continuous image generation, keep creating without stopping, photo assist now lets you generate AI images using different photo assist features without saving each iteration. So that is available. Bixby, smarter device control, talk to Bixby in your own words. Then we've got ask anything anytime. Whether you need a quick answer to detailed information, just ask Bixby for an instant response. There is no need to spend time on multiple searches or switching between applications, which means most likely Perplexity is integrated into Bixby on the S24 series as well. Conversations history, looking back at past conversation with Bixby is easier than ever. You can now access your conversation history from the side panel in the Bixby application. Connectivity, we have got storage share feature, access your files anywhere. That is available on S24 series. Quickly connect to smart view devices, connect to your favorite display faster. You can now add a shortcut on your home screen to instantly mirror your phone screen to TV or other display device. This is a very cool feature. Enhanced Auracast feature is available. It's easier than ever to listen to and broadcast sound with Auracast. As far as quick share is concerned, avoid unwanted sharing requests. You can now set quick share to only receive files from other devices signed into your Samsung account or Google account. Photo sharing suggestions, share photos with the right people faster. When you share pictures that include friends or family, quick share can recognize who is in them and suggest sharing directly with those people. Home and lock screens, automatic lock screen layout, wallpaper with pictures of people or pets now fit perfectly every time. So that has been improved now. More customization clock fonts we have, weather, enhanced weather widget, pollen index is added, clock, weather alarm backgrounds we have, which is pretty nice. Then we have got time zone converter as well. We have already got this updated clock on the S24 series. Then we have got Samsung Health, enhanced weekly reports, upgraded sharing experience, start meditations from your watch, antioxidant measurements from your watch, security and privacy, theft protection, keep your phone and data safe in case it is lost or stolen. Turn on failed authentication lock. So this has been added now on the S24 series, the authentication lock. Turn off auto blocker temporarily. That has also been added. For 30 minutes, we can turn off the auto blocker temporarily. Then we have battery and power, revamped battery information, see your battery use more clearly. The redesigned battery settings screens make it easier to check remaining time, changing status, and daily usage over the past week. Improved power saving, use power saving to make your battery last longer without changing. Actually, this is a very advanced power saving feature we now have. We will discuss it in the future videos. Then we have got accessibility features, easily control Bluetooth hearing aids, control magnification with mouse or keyboard, dual action and corner actions. Then we have got some other improvements. We do have direct voicemail feature, which is fantastic. If you can't answer, you can let the callers record a voice message directly on your phone that you can listen to it later. So this direct voicemail has now been added on the S24 series, which is very good. More customizable quick panel, arrange your quick settings just the way you like them. Like we have already seen this on the S25 and S26 series. We have got more control over quick panel customization now. Early alerts for reminders, partial screen recording, that is also available. Calculator nudges, save time on calculations, numbers and formulas copied to your clipboard will be suggested when you open calculator, that is also available. Keep window sizes in Dex. Dex now remembers your app window sizes and positions when you open an app again. It appears just as you left it. So there are some features which are missing. Maybe I will discuss that with you guys in the next video. I will need some time to compare the features with the S25 series and see which features have been omitted by Samsung for the S24 series. I will come back to you and talk about it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to install the update here on the S24 Ultra, and then let's see if the device is performing fine. This should be performing well because this is not like the first beta that we got on the S25 series. Whenever you install the first beta on the first flagship device, it always misbehaves. It doesn't, it would not be stable. So that is a bit riskier. But for the predecessors, after testing the beta for a while for the latest Galaxy devices, the predecessors will be getting a slightly better stable version as far as the beta version is concerned. So the stability will be better and the bugs will be lesser on the S24 series. So if you are updating your device, do back it up. If you just have one primary device, then I suggest you to back up your device on a PC or maybe on a SD card, or maybe you can do that on Samsung Cloud as well. You get 30-day temporary cloud backup. You can back up the entire phone, including your gallery, unlimited backup. So you do that and then update your Galaxy phone. That is what I would suggest. Now let's wait for the phone to restart and come back. Let's see how is the phone performing. Alright, the phone has been updated. You can see the welcome page with One UI 8.5 mentioned. This is beta software. Due to the nature of the test version, unexpected errors may occur. So you need to keep this in mind. Please make sure to back up important data in advance. Any errors that are found may be used to improve future versions. So let's tap on OK, tap on Start, and we have got Galaxy AI here. These are the standard features that we have. Let's go ahead and tap on Next, and I think it will take us to the tips page. Let's see, why is this taking time? Okay, you're all set up. Let's tap on Home. The S24 Ultra is updated with One UI 8.5. Now first, let's go to the Galaxy Store. This is the first thing you need to do. Go ahead and update the applications. Now here we have got an update for DecoPic. I haven't seen this for a while now. I used DecoPic maybe in Note 9's time. Anyway, so we have got an update for that. We also have an update for Expert RAW. I don't see any new features mentioned here. The latest version is 5.0.07.4, 23rd March 2026, and the size is pretty big for Expert RAW here, 549.67 MB, and there is nothing mentioned in the change log here. And we have got the third-party application update. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Google Play System update. If there is anything here for Google Play System, security and privacy updates. We have got January update for Google Play System. Let's see if there is anything new for Google Play system. It says restart to update. Your device needs to restart. This will be an incremental upgrade. Looking at this page, I can say. So I will probably restart it later. So we are still stuck with the January Google Play system update. Now let's see if the phone is performing well. Let's go ahead and open a few applications here. Calculator, Reminder, Gallery, Calendar, Galaxy Store, Volvers application, Phone Dialer, Camera application. I did not notice any stutters here or any lags here. It's very smooth. Let's go to Recent applications. No, nothing here. Very, very smooth. Let's do this again. Let's go to Recents. No stutters or lags here. Let's close all of them. Let's go to Quick Panel. Let's see if there is any flickering issue here. Nope. Looks fine. Looks fine to me. I have set up a theme here using GoodLog, so that's why you see these red accents here. So it is looking perfectly fine. Looks fine to me. I have set up a theme here using good log, so that's why you see these red accents here. So it is looking perfectly fine. Now actually I got hold of the changelog on the Galaxy S25 series here. This is the changelog of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let me just quickly compare and show you guys if there is anything missing here. Let's go to settings, tap on software updates, and let's quickly check out the last update. Here we go. Tap on all changes. Let's take a look at this. This is the first beta on the S25 series. The first one is Galaxy AI, continuous image generation. We have that here on the S24 series as well. Then we have Bixby mentioned here on the S24 series, as you can see. Whereas here on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Bixby is not mentioned here. It has directly jumped to connectivity. Let's go to connectivity here. Bixby anyways is already available. The newer version of Bixby is available for S25 series. Connectivity, storage share, quickly connect to smart view devices. We have it here as well. Enhanced autocast feature, we have it. And we have got quick share, avoid unwanted sharing requests, home and lock screen, automatic lock screen layout, more customizable clock fonts, weather, enhanced weather widget, pollen index, clock, Samsung Health, security and privacy, theft protection, turn off auto blocker temporarily, battery and power, revamped battery information, improved power saving, accessibility features. You got all of them here, all three of them, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we have got even more improvements here, more customizable quick panel, and direct voicemail is mentioned here. Anyways, that's available on S25 Ultra as well. More customizable quick panel, early alerts for reminders, partial screen recording. We have got calculator nudges, keep window sizes index. So it's exactly the same changelog. We have got all the features from the S25 series to Galaxy S24 series, but after I start using it, I will exactly know if there is any feature missing. And if you guys want me to check any specific feature from the Galaxy S25 series, whether it's available on the S24 series or not, let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer as many comments as possible. And also let me know if you have installed the beta on the S24 series, how is it performing? Is there any issues on your device? Do share it in the comment section. This is something which I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. I'm hoping that you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, tap on the subscribe button, and don't forget to download our Volvos application. There are some beautiful wallpapers available on the app. We've got some free and premium collections, and we also have some collections where you will see some beautiful wallpapers. Do go ahead and check it out. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.